Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add Grammarly for your Microsoft Word. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to the link given to you in the description box below. Then it will take you to the Grammarly website. Now over here what you will do is just simply click on get the add-on, just simply click on it. Now our download should pop up. Then download the application to location, then click on save. Now just simply click on the exe. Now after that just simply click on get start. Then over here just simply choose Grammarly for Word, or Grammarly for Outlook you can also click on over here, but I don't want it, so I will just simply uncheck this box. Then after choosing Word just simply hit install. Now give it a few seconds, and after the installation process is complete just simply hit finish. Then after that is done, just simply minimize Chrome window and open the Microsoft Word document. And after you go in your Word document, you will find a new type of panel appearing in the home section of Microsoft, which is Grammarly. Now in order for you to start Grammarly, all you have to do is just simply click on open Grammarly over here. Then the Grammarly should open up. But in order for you to use Grammarly, you have to log into the application. So click on login. Then sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, just simply create a new account over here. So for me, I will just simply log into my account. Now after the login process is complete, just simply click on open Grammarly, then choose open Grammarly over here, and the Grammarly application should start working. So give it a few seconds, and now as you can see the Grammarly is completely working. And you can change stuff over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.